kilometers. Millions of impressions wrapped in unbroken trust. And countless memories captured on those 4 wheels. Together we've circled the globe 3.5 times. We witnessed numerous sunsets and a myriad of coffees to go. Miles of longing, miles of laughing, miles of silence, and miles that just won't go by. 140,000 kilometers. It is just another chapter on our journey together. For the miles behind and the memories ahead.